Have you ever heard the tip about burying banana peels in your garden to give your plants extra potassium? While it sounds like a great idea, let's dive into the facts and find out why composting banana peels might be a better approach. First, banana peels take time to decompose. Until they break down completely, the nutrients within them aren't readily available to your plants. Second, fresh banana peels can attract unwanted pests to your garden, such as rodents and insects, which can harm your plants. Finally, as banana peels decompose, they can create localized nutrient imbalances in the soil, affecting your plant's growth negatively. Composting transforms banana peels into nutrient-rich compost that's readily available to plants. It not only provides potassium, but also other essential nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus. To compost banana peels effectively, cut them into small pieces and mix them with other green and brown materials in your compost bin. Keep the pile moist but not waterlogged, and turn it regularly for faster decomposition. By composting banana peels instead of burying them directly, you're taking a more sustainable and effective approach to enriching your garden. Happy gardening!